Do you have the time to listen to me whine about nothing and everything all at once?
Okay, so assign in your group, figure out who's going to be person A, person B, and person C.
I'll be A. A for all.
And then over here, we'll be your Okay, so you're going to collect 6 pieces of data. You are going to first, person B is going to measure the circumference of person A's head with string. And then person C will measure person A with elastic. And so these lines that are here, this is like a miniature, this is a representation of the string. So whenever you record the circumference of the head, you're just going to like place a little cutoff mark about how long it took at the string. Does that make sense? Yeah. Okay. So what you got? It's okay.
So now I'm measuring yours. That's yours, right?
Oh, question.
Do you need elastic? Do you need to stretch to make it fit, or just?
I think that's the whole point.
So then, like right
They're
now.
all different.
I don't know.
In the second round, person B's head is going to be measured, but person A will use string, and then person C will use string also. Okay, so what do you think about doing that? So what kind of problems did you run into?
Not enough instructions and information.
Like, more specific. What information did you lack?
The elastic. What the heck are we supposed to do with the elastic?
Okay, so
I need some parameters.
But there's too many ways to do it. Like
Okay.
whether you have a circumference going this way or this way. And
Yeah.
you have what now?
there's so many ways that you can look at if you want to do a circumference going this way, if you want to do a circumference going this way. Are you supposed to stretch the elastic?
Or
Do you include?
okay. What else?
You have to account for people's hair.
No.
Okay.
There's just so many variables that, I mean, obviously hers is, with her hair, is going to be bigger than a gentleman's. I mean,
Yeah.
over
And
how tight do you pull it?
With the elastic.
It's not exact enough. There's nothing as measurements, so we're guessing on the string.
Yeah.
And yes, and guessing on the lines too.
What now?
We're guessing on the line where it put the hash mark to, the red and thin.
So this part, okay. How to identify length. What was the one that you just said right now?
Where to mark it? Online, like
How to dollar units. Any others? Yeah, they're all legitimate problems. So which one do you think is more reliable? The string. What makes you think the string?
You don't have to pull so much. You can kind of gauge it a little bit better with the elastic. You're like trying to wrap it around, especially with my head. You have to try to wrap it around the head and you're like, there's nothing like
Okay. So it's more stable, less variance in the length of it. Okay. Anybody say the elastic?
Not really, but although the string, it does kind of slip. Like when you would do it, you'd be like move your hair anyway. So that was kind of a problem with the string. They're equally just not reliable.
Okay. So if you were actually going to do this, what tool would you prefer?
I don't know, I kind of prefer the elastic, think about it. Alright, so, I think if you hold one end of the elastic, you know, and you're pulling it around somebody's head, and you're running that way, you kind of get a better measurement than with the string. Because you can, I mean, if you hold that and then you use that to measure, it's just as reliable as the string, so they're both equal.
Yeah, equally unreliable. So, okay.
I would say maybe one of those things that you use when you get your measurements done. Maybe that, because it'll give you an actual number or something more concrete.
Like a tape measure?
Like measuring tape? Yeah, like, you know, when you go get alterations on something, and I don't know what it's called. Like
A measuring tape.
Oh, thanks, I'm sorry.
I'm there with you, on the same page, right?
A measuring tape would be more helpful. And also, what other things would you want to control for?
Hair.
Hair. Yeah. So, and some of us have, you know, bigger hair, and some of us have almost no hair. And so that puts some
I
error.
would say it's by choice.
Huh?
It's by choice.
That's by choice. And what about this?
You want to like select like, I don't know, like measure 1 inch above the ear on like everybody, because you have to make sure that it's in the same spot of the head, because people's heads are shaped differently, but as long as it was like the same length away or something.
Okay, so that's one way that you could try to standardize it. Yeah, is to specify an inch above maybe, or
Yeah, something like that.
okay,
Something.
yeah, all of those, and all of those would make it easier, and they would be more reliable, and you would get more consistent results, and you'd be able to depend on those results more than this, right? Okay. So that brings us to, one last question. What if your salary were going to be based on the size of your circumference of your head? What do you think about that?
Well, higher salary for bigger head or higher salary for smaller head?
Let's say the larger the circumference, the more you get paid.
You're going to need an unbiased party to help record
Do you-
measure data.
Is that fair? Is it something that you would want at your job?
You can't help your head size, so that's not fair.
There's still different ways you measure the circumference as well, you know. Maybe you can do it around the head, you know.
That's true, because all I said was circumference of your head. And this is not part of your head. I mean, you know, there are a lot of things that are missing. What about, is it accurate to say that the larger your circumference, the more intelligent that you are? Okay, so that's kind of an introduction to both reliability and validity, because we want a measurement to be consistent, and then we also want it to be accurate. We want it to measure what we want it to measure. So of the string and the elastic, which of those measures was test retest? A, B, or C? Which represents a test retest?
C.
C does. Tell us about C.
Is that the elastic? Let me see. Oh. Well, why did I pick that? I don't know. I feel like that's right, but I don't know why. Maybe I'm just guessing.
Wouldn't be NC?
Yeah.
That's what I was going to say. Because it's the same element.
Yeah.
Both times.
Yeah. Same test, two different occasions. So you have to string twice.
Sometimes I give
Elastic.
myself the creeps. Sometimes my mind plays tricks on me. It all keeps heading